In the early 1990s, Tim Berners-Lee, a British scientist, invented the World Wide Web. His goal was to create a way for researchers to easily share information. The first website was launched in 1991, and it was a simple text-based page with links to other documents. The early web was quite different from what we know today. There were no images, videos, or fancy designs. Everything was text-based and navigated through hyperlinks. However, this simple invention sparked a revolution. People quickly realized the potential of this new technology. Soon, websites started incorporating images, and then came the first web browsers, making it easier for people to access and navigate the web. Websites are built using a combination of languages, each serving a specific purpose. Imagine you're building a house. HTML is like the structure, CSS is the paint and decorations, and JavaScript adds interactivity. HTML, or hypertext markup language, is the foundation of every website. It's like the skeleton, providing the basic structure and content. HTML uses tags to define elements like headings, paragraphs, images, and links. CSS, or cascading style sheets, is all about presentation. It dictates how the website looks, colors, fonts, layout, and responsiveness on different devices. Think of it as adding style and aesthetics to the HTML structure. JavaScript brings websites to life with interactivity. It enables things like animations, image carousels, pop-ups, and dynamic updates without needing to reload the entire page. JavaScript makes websites more engaging and user-friendly. When you type a website address into your browser, your request goes out to a web server. Think of a web server as a powerful computer that stores all the website's files: HTML documents, images, CSS style sheets, and JavaScript code. Upon receiving your request, the web server locates the requested website's files and sends them back to your browser. This process is what allows you to view the website on your device. Web servers are essential for the internet to function. They act as the custodians of websites, ensuring they're always accessible to anyone who requests them. Without web servers, the internet as we know it wouldn't exist. They're the backbone that enables the seamless exchange of information across the vast network. Every website has a unique address called a domain name, like google.com or wikipedia.org. These domain names are essential for navigating the vast landscape of the internet. Domain names make it easier for us to remember and access websites instead of dealing with complex numerical IP addresses. Imagine having to remember a string of numbers for every site you visit. But how does your browser know which server to contact when you type in a domain name? This process might seem like magic, but it's actually a well-coordinated system. That's where DNS, or Domain Name System, comes in. DNS is a critical component of the internet's infrastructure. DNS acts like a giant phone book for the internet. Just as you would look up a contact's number in a phone book, DNS helps your computer find the IP address associated with a domain name. When you type in a domain name, your computer contacts a DNS server. This server is responsible for finding the correct IP address. This server looks up the domain name and translates it into its corresponding IP address, which is a unique numerical identifier for each device connected to the internet. This translation process is crucial for the seamless functioning of the web. Once your computer has the IP address, it can then contact the web server hosting the website and request the necessary files to display the web page in your browser. This entire process happens in mere milliseconds, allowing you to access information almost instantaneously. Section 5. Putting it all together, from typing a URL to viewing a web page. Let's recap the entire process of how a website works when you type in a URL. It's a fascinating journey that happens in the blink of an eye. First, you type a domain name into your web browser. This is the address of the website you want to visit. Then, your computer contacts a DNS server to find the website's IP address. The DNS server acts like a phone book for the internet, translating the domain name into an IP address. With the IP address, your computer connects to the web server hosting the website. This server is where all the website's data is stored. Next, your browser sends a request to the web server for the website's files. This request is made using the HTTP or HTTPS protocol. The web server sends the requested HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and image files back to your browser. These files contain all the content and styling needed for the web page. Finally, your browser interprets these files and renders the website on your screen. It assembles the code and displays the web page as intended. This entire process happens in a matter of seconds, making it seem instantaneous. The speed and efficiency are truly remarkable. It's a complex yet elegant system that enables us to access information from all over the world with just a few clicks. The internet connects us in ways we never imagined possible. Section 6. A simple analogy. The website as a restaurant. Imagine a website like a restaurant. The web server is like the kitchen, storing all the ingredients or website files. The domain name is the restaurant's name and address, making it easy for people to find. When you visit the website, it's like placing an order. Your browser sends the order or request to the kitchen, which is the web server. The kitchen prepares your order or website files and sends it back to your table, which is the browser. Just like different chefs specialize in different cuisines, websites use different combinations of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create unique experiences. Some websites are simple and text-heavy, like a quick coffee shop, while others are complex and interactive, like a fine dining restaurant. Section 7. Common misconceptions about websites. One common misconception is that websites are stored on the internet itself. In reality, websites reside on web servers, which are physical computers located in data centers around the world. Another misconception is that building a website requires advanced coding skills. While coding is essential for complex websites, there are now user-friendly platforms that allow you to create basic websites without writing any code. It's also important to remember that websites are constantly evolving. What was considered cutting edge a few years ago might seem outdated today. Web technologies are always improving, leading to new possibilities and challenges in website development. Section 8. Conclusion. The web's interconnected ecosystem. Websites are a testament to human ingenuity and collaboration. They are complex systems built upon a foundation of interconnected technologies, each playing a crucial role in delivering information seamlessly across the globe. From the early days of text-based pages to today's dynamic and interactive experiences, websites have come a long way. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative and engaging ways to connect, communicate, and share information on the World Wide Web. Understanding the basics of how websites work empowers us to navigate the digital world more effectively. It allows us to appreciate the complexity behind the seemingly simple act of visiting a website, and opens up a world of possibilities for creativity and innovation. Section 9. Exploring further resources for budding web enthusiasts. If you're interested in learning more about web development, there are countless resources available online and offline. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to advance your skills, the internet is brimming with opportunities to learn and grow. From online courses and tutorials to books and workshops, you can find a learning path that suits your interests and skill level. Many platforms offer structured learning paths, while others provide a more flexible, self-paced approach. Some popular resources for beginners include Codecademy, which offers interactive coding tutorials for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It's a great starting point for those who prefer hands-on learning. FreeCodeCamp, a non-profit organization offering free coding bootcamps and certifications. It also has a supportive community where you can collaborate and learn from others. Khan Academy, which provides free online courses covering a wide range of subjects, including computer programming. Their interactive exercises and instructional videos make learning engaging and effective. And W3 Schools, which offers comprehensive tutorials and references for web development languages. It's an excellent resource for quick references and in-depth guides. Remember, learning to code is like learning any new skill. It takes time, practice, and patience. Consistency is key, and setting small, achievable goals can help you stay motivated. Start with the basics, experiment with different concepts, and don't be afraid to ask for help along the way. Online forums and communities can be invaluable for getting feedback and support. The world of web development is vast and constantly evolving, offering endless opportunities for exploration and creation. Embrace the journey and enjoy the process of bringing your ideas to life.